Hi everyone, this is IoT based paper cutting machine. Uh, so for this paper cutting machine, we have used an Arduino UNO and a Bluetooth and then a driver with a keyboard to operate it manually and a motor gear to rotate the paper, and one is a blade to cut the paper at a required size, and these are the gear strips which is used to make the blades to drive and as well as slider to rotate. And we have used an I2C with a display connection to read what is happening and how many counts and what the size of a paper cut. And this is an keyboard which is 4 by 4. And let's go to the working of project. Here you can manually operate it. You can cut it any required size. So firstly I am initially making a 0 size, so I am pressing yes to cut it. You can see it is a blade connected which is used to cut the paper. So I am giving a size of 1 and making clicking hash. You can see it rotated and cut. I am making a size of 5 and click on hash and making a size of 9 and cutting. So to make it continuously rotate, I am clicking on 9 and pressing the D for continuous operation. You have to press star to stop it. So it got stopped, and you can see there are 9 cuttings. If I press 1 and hash again, you can see there are 10 count. So here you can also connect it with the Bluetooth. So I am connecting it with the Bluetooth. It is HC05. So I just click on the HC05. It is connecting to HC05. We have to wait till it get connected. It got connected. So I am giving a value of F2, which is about 2 size. I am clicking 5. Even you can cut at required size by giving a value. So I am giving about a 50 inches it has to cut. So I am clicking on 50. You can give a required value like about 100. So let's directly go to keeping paper roll and cutting. Okay, now I placed the paper bundle. Now I am cutting the size it to 5. I just pressed the 5 and hash. It got cut down to 5. So now I am clicking the 5 again. I just press the 5 and hash. So you can even cut down using the mobile application. So I am opening it. It got connected to the Bluetooth, I think. Yeah, I just made it connect again. It is connected. So I am just pressing the F5. You can see the paper even cut down using the mobile app. So to make it continuously operation, or else to make it cut down about a 20, so I am giving initially value of 20 and making it cut, giving it a 20 and making it cut. You can see depending upon the size it also cut down. So to make it continuously cut down, we are giving it to cut down at 5. So I am making press 5 and pressing the D to make it cut. Yeah, you have to press the star to make it cut stop. Thank you.